Hi everyone. I look a bit wild and woolly, I realise. I've been massaging today, so I've been in my element. I just wanted to give a shout out and say hello and let you all know I'm back from France, and I'll be back at 652 Espresso on Friday 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. doing seated Indian head massage. So come on down and say hello and hop in the chair, and I look forward to pampering you then. And I am back on board at the clinic at Twin Waters as well. So you can book online at beckdkahunamassage.com, or you can click through the Facebook Book Now button on my page at Beck D Kahuna Massage. Sometimes that Facebook button doesn't quite work. So if you don't get a confirmation email, it means it hasn't gone through. So it's best to hop on the website and go there if your confirmation email doesn't come through. So I want to just wish you all a wonderful evening and a great night with your family. And I look forward to connecting with you soon. Thanks for all the likes. I look forward to talking to you all very soon. Have a great night. Bye.